The 2011-2014 Hyundai Sonata key fob uses a CR2032 battery. First, identify your key fob, which will have 2 or 3 buttons. To open it, locate the seam on the side of the fob. Use a small flathead screwdriver or the edge of a key to gently pry open the back cover. Apply steady pressure to avoid cracking the plastic. Be mindful of the orientation as you open it. With the key fob open, carefully remove the old CR2032 battery. Use your fingernail or a non-conductive tool to gently pop it out. Note the orientation. The positive plus side should face up towards the circuit board. This is important for proper function. Now insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring the positive side faces up with correct polarity. Snap the cover back on securely until you hear it click into place. Test the fob by pressing the buttons to verify it works with your car. If it doesn't function, double-check battery orientation or consult a professional for other issues.